guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Vinay, and today we're going to be talking about what is table and what are lists and how can we use them in our web page. Let's start with the tables. How we can create a table. I mean, I'm not going to style them. I'm not going to give them some sort of borderline or any color because this is HTML and I'll be styling them in the CSS. So I want you guys to first go with the tags and understand the basics of HTML, and then pursue to the CSS playlist so that you can understand each and every part of it, each and every part of the web page, and how we can customize everything that is in the front of us. So let's create a table here. First we'll have to use the tag table, and inside this table tag we have so many things that we can do here. First let's go with the row. So first we'll have to create a row here, and inside any row we are going to create the columns now, because we will go with the first row, then we will go to the second row, and inside those rows we will be creating the columns. So in this tr we are going to create each and every column separately. So we are going to use th. What this th will do, and it's a different from td. I'll be showing you the difference here. So let's say this is name and this is mobile number. Okay, so and what should we name? Let's say it's age. So if we save it and here we refresh it, okay, so everything is in a bold. I mean, it's in bold and black characters. So what should we do now? Okay, it's a first row, and let's say if you want to add values now from in the bottom, on the bottom of from those columns, name, mobile number, age. So we will have to create a new row here, and inside this row we can pass values now. I mean, you can pass as many as you want, but let's create. We are creating table here, so we are going to create. I mean, we are going to insert the values and as per the requirements of the column. So we have 3 columns here. We're going to inserting 3 values now. So we are going to be using now td here. td is a simple text here, and th gives the bold one, so that makes them heading, and td is just now simple value. So let's write here code fleet is the name, and now td again, the mobile number is blah blah blah. Okay, so td again, and the age is okay, it's been okay, I don't know, just write 34. It's a random number here. So if we save it and just run it, we have those values underneath those columns. I mean, name, mobile number, and age. Code fleet, mobile number is there, and age is 34. You can also separate it with the lines, but I won't be showing you right now here because that will totally confuse you with the CSS right now. So just go with this, and whenever we'll start the CSS part, I'll be showing you differently this how you can style the any table here, how you can create any table, and what sort of things you can do with the table. So you can enter as many entries you want. Just go and create another row. Let's do it with the same. So we have another here. I mean, you can enter as many as rows you want. There is not some sort of specific foundation. So this is what a table is. It's a simple table, as you can see here. So this concludes with the table part. So I'm going to comment it so that you can use this file later on, and because I'm going to put all those files in the description down below so that you can easily download them in your computer and just go along with them. So okay, so next thing we are going to do is list. What are list? So let's save this file and refresh it now. It's empty now. So we have 2 sort of lists. So the first one is unordered list. Lists, as the name describes, they are unordered. They do not have any some sort of order here. And the other one is ordered list. So what the difference between them we'll be seeing right now. Okay, so The first one is unordered list. So the tag for unordered list is simple. It's just the short form UL, and inside these unordered list we will have to insert some items. You can't just go around, okay, I have this tag and I'm going to get some values now. It's same with the table. You will have to insert some values here. So for inserting value, you are going to use a tag that's abbreviated with LI, that means list items. So you can have as many as you want. We are having 4 right now, just to make it sure. So just write anything here, anything, so that you can understand the concept. So if we write here, okay, we have this, but as you can see they are not ordered. Okay, what if there are 10,000 and you can just go around and count them? Okay, this is the 5,679th term. So what we can do here now for this, okay, let me comment it out here first. Let me copy it. I'll be going with the same one here. So first comment it out here, and for your information you can also have another unordered list inside the unordered list. So let's try them. It's something new for me too. So let's open this here. Let's see if it works or not. It's working, right? It's working. You have this unordered list inside this list item, and as you can see, HTML automatically separates them with these dots, with these just circles without the colored part. So let's comment this out, and now we will see what is the order list. So the abbreviation for the order list in these tags are OL, that is order list. Just try to remember them as you go with the video, and if you don't, if you can't do that, just write it on a paper and then memorize them. So as you can see, ordered lists are okay. I have not assigned any sort of number here, but you can see that HTML automatically define these numbers here, 1 2 3 4. So like if you have 10,000 numbers, so the number, that value on the 5,779, it will have the number in front of it, like whatever the number is, 5,779. So you can just go easily onto that number and just find it out. No one is going to do that. You can also make a function that can search that, but here we are not talking about JavaScript or anything. So this concludes with the and you can also do what we did here. You can also create an ordered list inside the list item, but I'm going to leave this work for you guys so that you can practice them by your own. So this concludes the part of the table and list items. Thank you so much, guys. I'm going in the next video. I'm going to tell you what are classes and what they are IDs. It's going to be a short tutorial of class and IDs, because that's the main topic that we're going to use in the next playlist after this HTML in the CSS, because you can't just do anything without class and IDs in the CSS or in JavaScript. These are the main solid foundation for the JavaScript and CSS. You will be needing them. You must be needing them. You must be knowing, okay, this what classes do and what IDs do. So thank you guys. Thank you so much. See you next time.